Hi dear customer, now I'm checking your order a QLQ model nylon zipper hole punching machine. This is the overlook of machine. And here is the side view of machine, and we will take a look at the nameplate. You can see the model and serial number and size information is mentioned on this nameplate. So if you have any question about it, please send us this nameplate and we will do the needful for you accordingly. Later I will show you a general operation of the machine. Okay. As the launching zipper have been assembled onto this machine, so I just need to push the start button here. Start button. And the machine will come to the guiding wheels, and doing that